The lake divides itself neatly. Towers gleam, pretending to be deep. A bin marked leaf composter, full of plastic. The Tsalmir, fragments that forgot the whole.
They say it's cleaner now, though the smell lingers. You called them Salmir. I live among them. Maybe they remember too much. Every guilt, every crack. Forgetting might be mercy.
From orbit, the lake is a spark in the noise. You called them Tsalmir. I call them Kayurnath, pattern breakers. They destroy to perceive. In ruin, they might be teaching the universe to feel again.
Fragments that forgot the whole.
Or fragments learning to breathe again.